You can play your cards, all kinds of tucks, impractical shirt stays, or even the infamous underwear tuck. None of them will help you hold your shirt in your pants. You may look your best in the morning, but every time you move, your shirt wants to get undone and become a dreaded shirt-poof. The secret lies in how well the armhole of the shirt fits. To make standard sizes work for a large population, ready-made brands will add extra fabric around the armhole. A smaller armhole in standard sizes would make it too uncomfortable for many customers. We can simulate this with a model of threads. Here we have a low armhole with a lot of excess fabric. Your sleeves. This is your waistband. Every time you move your arm, it acts as a pulley. If your armhole is ill-fitted, it will draw a lot of fabric. On the other side, a fitted armhole allows for better movement without pulling your shirt too much. It goes a long way in giving you comfort and confidence. So next time you get a shirt, don't gamble on the fit, get the armhole right.